with another one.
Alright guys, so this right here is the fog light to a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Today's video is to show you how to remove this here fog light from the front bumper cover. Alright, so let's let you see the whole bumper. You have two fog lights, one on the right side and one on the left side. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so this right here is the back side of the fog light. Now, as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3 Phillips head screws that's holding this bad boy in. Let's go ahead and take them out. All right, so we got the Phillips head screws out. Set them off to the side. Now, basically, all you got to do is grab it, pull it directly out. And there you go. That's how you remove the fog light from a 2018 Hyundai Elantra front bumper cover. Now you can see you have like a guide pin right here, so when you want to put this thing back on, you have to line it up with that hole right there. See that? And there you go. Line up all the holes just like that. Put the screws back in. Now, beside this light is like an air vent. You can see it right here. If your air vent gets damaged, see if you look up under here, you can see it right there. If you want to remove that, technically, all you have to do is remove the fog light, pull up on this part here, just pull up on it to clear it, and then same thing with this side, pull up on it until you can get it over it like that. Now, this part right here, it just snaps down in there, so it's gonna be like that, and all you're gonna do is pull it apart. So it's kind of hard for me to show you, but let's see. So you're gonna pull it up. See that? It has the little areas where it snaps in at. Same way up here. It's the same exact thing. So basically, here you go. So if you need to replace this, you can get a new one. Then you have the actual vent here, and to get the vent out, you have a screw here, and then you have these areas right here where you got to push these tabs in to pull these off. So you got a tab here, you have a tab here, and then you have 3 on the back here. And all you do is just pull those tabs back towards you and then pull this whole thing off. It should come directly off. All right, so we got it loose. See that? All it is little clips here that's built into the bumper. That's it. So if you ever need to replace this part right here that's on the outside of the bumper by the fog light, just take it out and get a new one. As you can see, that right there should be the part number if you're looking for this. All right, so basically all I'm gonna do is start snapping this stuff back on. All right, so I got that part back on, and all I did was hit it with a little rubber hammer, popped it back on. So that's on, and what we're gonna do is put the Phillips head back here. This piece right here, you're gonna put it on right here first, and this is the guide pin, and then you're just gonna push these right here. You're gonna push these in here like that, and when you get it in, you're gonna push down on it, or pull up. You're gonna pull up to get in the seat into that slot right there. You see that gap? You shouldn't see that. See? And then we're gonna go ahead and put the actual fog light in. And there you go. Everything's back in. And that right there, guys, is how you remove the fog light, this wind guard here, and the bracket that's in the front, the faceplate that's in the front. All right, guys, this is J.O.A.T.D, and I'm out.